Alright, BMW 528iX 2010 version. Oil change. First, get your car up. On the driver's side. Put your block so you don't get killed. Okay, here we go. Use an 8mm socket. Get under the car and remove 3 8mm from this panel. Actually, the Beamer is one of the easier cars to change oil, only one reason. The oil filter is on the top of the engine. Some cars, the oil filters are really hard to get at. You'll see when we get to that part. First thing you need to do is drain the oil. Hey, could you give me the other ratchet with the 17 mil? I'm ready to get the oil. Oh, and grab the oil pan out of the trunk of the back seat. I am now ready to access the 17mm drain plug. I don't have it up that high, but I can feel it though. Maybe you can see it right there. Yeah, you can see it. That's pretty accessible. There's a little bit of oil leak, but not really too bad. So you got that open. You opened it up, right? Cool. Get that under there. Open that. I don't want to make a big mess here, so. Hold on. Where is it? 17 mil. I think we're there. I think we are there. Oh shit. Oh, I got a cramp. Ready to go here. That was pretty easy. No, it wasn't that easy. Let's get it broke loose first. $17mm. Still not loose. Feels like it broke loose. I can't see it. I just feel it. Uh-oh. I might be screwed. Doesn't appear that the 17mm is working on here. Actually, it does. It's so hard to film this and do this at the same time. Almost really, really difficult. There it is. There we go. Okay.
Need to get some ramps.
No, I don't need ramps. You know what happened to Ed when he used a ramp?
50-year-old ramp.
It broke it. It almost killed him. Alright, we're ready to do this. She's gonna work. She's gonna work. Now in the oil filter should be a new crush washer. That's got to be put on there. So here comes the oil. There we go. Should be 6.5 quarts. Coming out now. Yep. Hey, can you grab that that oil filter in the trunk of the Beamer? You can open the trunk by.
Yep.
You got the remote.
Yep.
Yeah. There is. Yeah, grab that. And the filter wrench right away while you're there anyway. It's coming out.
The cap and the filter?
Yes, sir. Wow, there is a lot of oil in here, man.
Oh, yeah.
Because she's still steady. So I was not low on oil. This thing does not burn oil at all.
Alright, so what do you need?
I'm gonna give you this. I'm gonna need a towel out of this trunk. You can open that up. Yeah, get a towel out. There's a big towel in there, a dirty towel. I'm gonna use it. Take this crush washer off of this drain plug right here. There's the crush washer right there. You can open the trunk, pop the trunk inside there. And we'll put a new crush washer on here and get this part done. Oh, there's supposed to be 2 O-rings. Oh, there is. There is. Okay. Yep. Inside the car. Right on the driver's, there's a little lever there. It pops it open. Pop it open, get that towel out of there. That's fine. That'll work. Unless you want to use it for bathing.
Maybe.
Probably someday.
Sometime.
So now we're gonna. There you go. We're live.
We're live.
Live on YouTube. This is the crush washer. Once it gets crushed, it's not reusable anymore.
Should replace it every time you change your oil.
Everything. So here we got the new crush washer. Put that on there. And now we should be ready to reinsert. We'll take it. Reinsertion is now going. Yep, we're done. Yeah, she's just got a little trickle right now. It's a little stream. The crazy thing is the BMW charges $150 to change the oil. And it's actually one of the easiest cars to change the oil on. I'll show you why in a minute. Because of the oil filter and because of where they put everything. This is a hard car to work on, but changing the oil is not hard. It's one of the easier things.
They cut some slack in one department.
But the owner's manual still says take it to the certified BMW dealer, of course. We got a little trickle here, not much. I think it's safe to. I think I'm not the only one that put oil on the pavement here. I think there's been a few people.
You need that cap?
Huh?
You need the cap?
Not yet. I'm gonna put the drain plug back in. I'm attempting to do that by feel alone because I can't see it. Oh shit. That's a good thing about this oil pan. You don't lose things in it because the way it's designed. Pretty cool. Come on. We got her.
How's the oil look?
Looks pretty good actually. I mean it's dark, but I mean it's not like it looks pretty good actually.
Nice.
All right, I'm pretty good with that. Let's get this out. Get it out. If we were in Canada, we would get it out. Oot in the boot. Alright, I'm going to clean up the area a little bit. Now you can put that cap on there. Got that cover, right? Cover it up. I'm going to clean up the area a little bit here. So it ain't a mess. Yeah, I got to clean everything up. That way we'll know if you have any kind of a leak. I'm always paranoid. We'll turn her tight. We'll get her tight. I think I was like off center before. There we go. I really need to drop the camera for a second here. Sorry. I gotta get this. It wasn't like squared off. Now it's good now. I just wasn't dead on, you know.
For sure.
I don't want to. Okay, I think that's pretty good.